All right, we just got done fishing one of the hoses through to our foot pump, our saltwater foot pump up in the galley kitchen. It was a little bit difficult, but we were able to do it. We used a zip tie that we put through the two pieces of hose and then put some electrical tape or duct tape on the outside and then fished it through. And that worked for most of it. We got through most of the length of the boat until we got right underneath the sink, and then the space was just too tight. And then it took Jeff and I finagling on our bellies, both of us, to get it through, but eventually it worked great. We're really happy about that. We're about to move on now and replace another hose. This time the hose is going to go up to our refrigeration unit. And so we're going to have to snake another line through there. If you look down in here, you can see that there's just a whole mess going on down there. That metal piece right there with the green handle, ball valve, used to be used to shut off some of these lines, but we're going to remove that, and that'll help us sleep a little bit better. One less piece of metal hanging out down in the bilge down there will be a good thing. So we'll take you through this process and show you a little bit of us fishing this line through, or I should say this hose through, and hopefully you can use this method as well.
So we just talked about the, these two ball valves that were in the system. They weren't even being used for anything anymore. What happened was we have two T's down there. One of the T's came off here, went into this is our refrigeration line, and came here. This ball valve was always closed. I don't even know if it turns anymore. And then this ball valve was always open. And then we continued on straight and went up or went back in the boat to the refrigerator. So it's nice to get rid of this because another point of failure possibility. And also just ridiculous that they didn't get rid of this when they stopped using it. But it's gone now. All right, so I'm hungry. Margaret's a little cold, and we've just been spending the last couple hours on our knees and sides and stuff like that, reaching into the bilge. So we're gonna stop halfway through the refrigeration line. We hit a big, crimp in it that we finally got out. The two of us working together for 15 minutes or something like that. But I've been in the lazarette already. We've got a lot of stuff to do to sort of get it through the lazarette to the refrigerator pump over there. And you can see right here where we stopped. So we'll come back tomorrow and resume this activity and hopefully finish it too. So we just wanted to show you this when we were getting off the boat. We tossed this down and the fitting broke right there as it hit the ground. Not with a lot of force either. Showing you that brass corrodes and it should not be used in seawater or below the waterline. Pretty interesting. Glad we're fixing it.